Supreme Forex brings you #currency bites. Embark on a journey through the euro, the official currency of the Eurozone. Governed by the European Central Bank, ECB, the euro, symbolized by euro, is a testament to unity among 20 European Union countries. EUR is the abbreviation that echoes across borders, representing a currency that transcends national boundaries. Established on January 1, 1999, the euro emerged as a digital currency for banking, with banknotes and coins introduced in 2002. This marked a historic milestone in the pursuit of European integration. Denominations vary, ranging from €5 to €500, each bill adorned with architectural symbols and historical elements, narrating the diverse stories of European heritage. And here's an intriguing fact. Euro banknotes feature fictional bridges, symbolizing connections and cooperation between European nations. It's a unique touch to a currency that unites under a common economic umbrella. The euro, not just a currency, but a symbol of collaboration and shared destiny. Thank you for joining us on this euro journey. Until next time, Supreme Forex, your trusted currency exchange partner.